Oh, we're going to test some cheap camping gear. It might not be the best, you're gonna see it right here. First we gotta get out of this place, out of this spaghetti race, and to my new camping place, so I can cook and stuff on my face.
So it's a long weekend, and I've decided that even though the van is barely even functioning, I have thrown a mattress in and I'm getting out of town, which has proven to be a bit harder than I would have liked because everyone else had the same idea. Weather's awesome, but I wanted to use this opportunity to show you guys what I think is one of the best cheap little solar battery setups that exists. I've done a couple of trips with this now since I've had this van. It actually works. We'll have to break down the pricing. I got everything on sale, keep that in mind. But if I got it on sale, it means it'll go on sale again, so you know, you never pay full price for King stuff. But in the meantime, I'm trying to get to my destination, which is like South Australia, Beachport, something like that. And the traffic has been absolutely horrendous. I had a place in mind that I was going to stay at tonight, but I've realized it's just gonna be so jam-packed full of people, and I don't even know if I'll get that far. I was gonna have dinner, but now I've got a sandwich. I just pulled over and got a sandwich, let Lily out for a drink, and yeah, we'll just see how far we can get.
A brass monkey fridge, the Venture King's battery bags. It's gonna help you keep your Napoli sauce fresh.
Alright, so those corrugations, I think, sent everything flying in the back. I don't know. I can just hear rattling, a lot of rattling going on back here. Yeah, it's a little, there's a little bit of rattling. What is it that is rattling the most right now? That, I don't know. I don't know. It is what it is, I guess. Alright, all good.
Oh, we're going to test some cheap camping gear. It might be the best, you're gonna see it right here. First we gotta get out of this place, out of this spaghetti race, and to my new camping place, so I can cook and stuff on my face. A brass monkey fridge, a Venture King's battery packs, is gonna help you keep your Napoli sauce fresh.
It really is a beautiful time of day to be driving though, so you know, I can't complain too much. I guess it was probably the traffic that caused Google to take me a really weird way, but now I'm on an actual main road, so still got like 68 kilometers to go. So yeah, it's not exactly close. Ooh, I think I'm going in there. That's where I'm going. Okay, I got a spot. Oh, I got a spot. Holy moly, I got a spot. I thought it'd be packed down here. Oh, brilliant. I wish I had brought something for a fire. Maybe I can collect some firewood. I don't know. Almost doesn't matter, I don't think. Oh, it's so warm. Oh, it's windy. Whoa, shit. Got it. Yeah, it is a bit windy, but I don't need a fire, that's for sure. It's too warm. Well, Lily got out and just did a poo immediately. Is that a snake? No, it's a stick. So first of all, what I'd better do So I need to unplug. So the fridge has been plugged into the King's battery, and I'll show you that in the morning. The King's battery has been charging while it drives. I'm going to unplug that, and we got full battery available. I'm afraid it's getting pretty late. I'm just going to crack a beer and look at that sunset. I'm just going to crack a beer, watch the last bit of sunset, and go to bed. We'll run through the gear in the morning. Little girl. Oh, little, you sleepy? Did you spew in my bed over here? Ah. You're gonna sleep in my bed now. Hey, you're gonna sleep in my bed. Okay, your bed's over there. It's perfect for you. Alright. I do not approve. Hello, Lil. What a spot. Let's see how the battery's doing. This is a 24-hour King's battery. It's just a little portable. I'll show you it later. Where's the button? There we go. 3 out of 4 dots. That's pretty good. Pretty good. And I'll be driving this morning, so should be 100%. Also got some solar panels that fit into it. And I've also got a second battery. So there's a 24 amp hour battery and 12 amp hour battery. This is the 12 amp hour. It's quite small. That will do like overnight and then some, and then I just basically switch between the two and charge one, charge the other, and keep it going. This is where Lil spewed last night. I think I've cleaned it up pretty well. Just need it to sort of dry up. It'll need a vacuum, but it was mostly water because she drank too much water too quickly, and then I put her in the van because she wouldn't settle down. Little did I know it was because she was feeling sick that she wouldn't settle down. How you feeling today, Lily? How are you feeling today, Lil? You good? Yeah? Oh. Because I'm moving on today, we're gonna keep going. I don't need to put the solar out, I just need to plug back in for the drive. And we'll keep charging when the car starts. I've just pulled up to Robe, and there's a reason that this is my happy place. Look at this. Absolutely stunning. The water here is just as blue as you could possibly imagine blue to be, and can have a beer and lounge back. But let's have a look at, because I just remembered I've got to unplug the charging port because I don't want to be stuck here with no battery. There we go. How's the battery looking? Yeah, we are fully charged. So, I mean, I've been driving for a while, so I shouldn't expect it not to be. Now, where's Lily gone? Lil, come here. You gotta stay with me. She goes wandering when I go inside the van because she's like, oh, well, I guess we're doing something else now, aren't we? We hot.
Oh, the next day, we are gonna check in. If we have the power, run a fridge of more hours.
Okay, so it's day number 3-ish. And I did swap over to the small battery overnight. I'm back on the big battery. And it is lunchtime. Small battery, it was quite a hot night. Small battery's got 1 bar left, so I'm going to chuck that on the little solar panel setup. I'm actually going to just chuck this here in the shade, but then I'll put the solar panel over here in the sun. So it's a 70-watt solar panel, and it's designed specifically for these little batteries. It's very compact, and you don't need an extra power like regulator or anything. This just plugs directly into the battery itself. Just straight in there like that, and we can see it's now charging. So it's 12:37, we're on 1 bar. Let's see how long it takes to charge up to the small 12 amp hour battery. 4 p.m. and we're fully charged. So I moved it over here. I'm gonna change it over and see how much I can get out of the other battery way up the other end there. So the big 24 amp hour battery was on 1 bar. So let's see how much we get out of the rest of the afternoon. There's a fair bit of daylight left, so things look pretty promising. We've moved things around a bit more, and I don't know if it's really getting much out of this last bit of daylight, so we've gone up to 2 bars, so that should get me through a bit of time. I'm going to plug in the charger because I've got a little bit of driving around to do, so that should get me a little bit more, and it'll get me through the night. Let's have a look real quick at what the small one's giving us. Oh, that's full. That's full still, so that's been going the last few hours anyway.
On the last day, we're running hello, but it's okay, we go home today. Back home to Nana.
All right, another day, and I did wake up in the middle of the night to find that this one, I think this one died. It says it's got 1 dot, but I think it might have been not enough to power the actual fridge. This big one, the big one has 1 dot as well. I'm gonna plug that in and get moving. So I'm driving home now, and battery lasted, fridge kept everything cool, and now run through what they are, how much it all cost, because I really do think it's the perfect cheap weekend getaway setup. The fridge is a 25 litre brass monkey fridge that I bought from Jaycar. I think usually it's about $400, but I got it on sale for $210. So yeah, I don't know if it'll go on sale like that very often. And then the batteries are a 24 amp hour lithium thing from Kings. It's a battery bank thing. They go on sale all the time. I would say that I got mine for, I want to say $200 or $190 or something like that. And then the solar panels were $130. And realistically, that's probably all you need if you're moving around a lot and it's sunny, so that you can, you know, plug it into your car while you're charging and driving. When you pull up, put out the solar panel and just keep it going, because it definitely lasts overnight and keeps the fridge running overnight, even in warm weather. But because I like to have a bit of a fallback, I got the 12 amp hour battery for that would have been $119. I'm gonna use it. I already use it for my Starlink and stuff like that. So if I'm parked somewhere and I want to move the Starlink further away from my van, I've got a power source for it. Can run it all day pretty much. So I'm gonna definitely use them still after I've got the electrical set up. I might not need both of them, but I'll just sell one, I guess. Really awesome setup, works really well. Great for a weekend getaway. Fridge is large enough for probably 2 people for a weekend getaway. So yeah, hopefully you found this helpful, because I haven't really seen many people talking about this setup. I don't know how to finish this video. It was a good trip. Stay tuned to the channel because I've got more building videos for the van coming up, and probably the floor or electrical or something will be next. I don't know what I'm doing, but yeah, stick around. Cheers. Back home to Nana.